Okay, so you're going to fly back up the shaft. So 2d6 plus nav helm plus pilot, 8 to succeed.
You rolled a 9 without modifiers.
13. I'm good.
Flying a ship, even a ship this nice, in a perfect straight line up is harder than it sounds, but you manage it. There were a couple close calls, but you never touched the side.
Wow.
So, well done. And then you are clear of the shaft, out in the sun, hovering above the snow and ice. And when you guys take off back for space, you need to remember about keeping a tight course. Not that I know how that would even play out. So are you guys ready to break Atmo and head back out into space?
I think so.
Your job here is done. Okay, so you guys now have 11,000 sticks.
Yay.
11,000 credits in sticks.
Bosk wants a nice suit.
Yeah. So, well, hopefully it...
Metallica shirt.
Oh, okay. Hopefully at your next stop, which is Brindle, that's right, nobody checked the messages on Jex's computer.
Oh, bummer.
So, somebody want to step in there and do that?
Okay, go ahead.
Let the communications officer or a command sort of person do it. So, on Jex's computer, there is a new message from Doulos.
They acknowledge our loss of Captain Jex, and we should await instructions. And we're supposed to proceed to Brindle as scheduled.
Okay?
So let's plot a course for Brindle.
Well, first you got to break Atmo. So you are nearing the upper atmosphere.
Okay.
I hope not.
Total power failure.
Oh, no.
Port maneuver drive.
Uh-huh.
Oh, great.
You guys are not out of the atmosphere yet.
Oh, great. Gravity.
Okay. I think we should do a scan for area that
Ship
is
sensors.
low population but has more hospitable weather than the South Pole.
We're in a big hurry here, so I'll let you have it that there is a land mass because, I mean, when it's not like you fly straight up to break Atmo. I mean, you've seen the shuttle when it's landing, and yeah, I mean, it streaks across the entire sky. So, same thing, you guys are way far away from where you were. And you do see a landmass that, according to your calculations, you guys could do an emergency landing at.
Can we do collaborative flying where I am his co-pilot and help him fly?
For
Not exactly.
For 6 day.
Somebody put the ship there.
Where's the ship?
Wait. The ship is pulling to the left and dipping down. 7 is no longer center. 10 is center.
No.
So that means
We're gonna go off center.
you should try to,
And then we're going
if you roll above 10, we should go this way so we can always go back down.
By the way, no cheating here.
Oh, okay.
You need to get to the X, and 10 is the center.
We could stay on center.
And you're not supposed to help him.
So I have to do 10.
Yep. Greater than 10, you veer off to the right. Less than 10, you veer off to the left. My left and right, sorry.
What was that?
Let's just remind her
So
it's time for a bill.
Stevens. To do it or do a greater than.
Okay.
And then I'll do a less than.
Okay.
Smart.
Smart play. I'll do a 10.
Okay. By the way, you are passing over a very dense forest and there's not a good spot to land, but Sensors has told you there's a place coming up.
Greater than 10.
Okay.
Less than 10.
Okay, slow down, slow down. Back up that last one. Where were you there? Okay, engineering could help out by, how shall we say, diverting power and that sort of thing. Okay, what do you have for engineering?
+2.
All right, so you roll those 2 dice only. Now, roll again. Yes, boss, good. Now, choose from your dice and these dice. Engineering is going to divert power for you for a moment. Boy, that doesn't help this time.
I'll just do
Last
less
time.
than so I can go back on track.
Okay, now give me another roll, and if it's not what you want it to be, then he can help you by redirecting power. Oh yeah, you could use a hand this time.
Okay.
5.
Okay. Okay, so you need to give me a 2d6 plus piloting for the landing.
Okay. So 11.
Okay, you set it down gently, but knocked over a couple of trees in the process. You guys have landed in the middle of a forest, and it is nighttime, and your ship is broke. And I'm tempted to leave it there, but we've still got a little time, and there's one thing that I want to leave you guys with. So,
I'm going to bed.
This has been a rough day.
I would actually, the trees that fell down, maybe we should bring them in the cargo bay and start to fashion some kind of ladder.
Or you could just lean it up against the ship and walk up the,
climb the tree.
climb the
I'm
tree.
in my mid-40s here.
Right?
Let's not.
But you may have a hidden skill for it.
True.
Jordan says, I hope that everyone in the table group has a Merry Christmas too.
Aww.
Okay. It is nighttime. You are in the middle of a forest. You are, for the moment, stranded on this planet. And there are things wrong. Lots of things wrong.